Here's a video of our 1975 RD350. It's probably going to be going up for sale soon. Last year 350, 76 is the first year of the 400. We just put new spark plugs in it. New fuel line and fuel filters. Nice vintage Blu-ray grips. The old motocross guys will love those. Pretty much everything works. We'll turn the lights on. Headlamp works. High-low works. Tail light works. Brake light works. Left side turn indicator signals work, both front and rear. The right side do not. Might be two bad bulbs. I haven't investigated it yet, or it could be electrical, but these are the only things not working. Speedometer and odometer work. Tach works. All the idiot gauges work. High beam light works. Take it for a quick ride now that she's tuned up. Also, if you like this bike and bikes like this, please feel free to comment. Click the like button below. Thank you. There she goes. Like I said, if you like these old bikes and you like the video, we're just a small little mom and pop shop out in St. Mary's, Idaho. Inside of the shop's more impressive than the outside. It's kind of a Kwanzaa hut from the outside. We are at EMP Power Sports and Marine in St. Mary's, Idaho. If you like these old motorcycles, please comment and please hit that click button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.